If you're watching this, you may have been seriously injured in a truck collision here in Georgia. And you may be wondering, how do I select the best attorney to represent me in this case? Well, let me discuss a few points you may want to consider. First of all, you want a lawyer who does personal injury cases, not someone who practices in another field and takes a personal injury case here or there. The attorney who represented your brother-in-law in a DUI and got him a great result, she may be great at DUIs, but she's not a personal injury lawyer. Secondly, you want a lawyer who knows truck wrecks and knows the law and all of the intricate details that go into prosecuting a truck wreck case. There are multiple federal regulations, the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulations, which are very complicated. You want an attorney who is knowledgeable about that. You want a lawyer who knows about the different types of evidence that he or she needs to look for. There's all sorts of electronic data that can be downloaded from tractor trailers and other commercial vehicles. There's logs that truck drivers and trucking companies are required by law to maintain. You want a lawyer who knows what to even look for. If you have a DUI lawyer or a lawyer who drafts wills, he or she may not even know to look for those. Even a car accident lawyer who handles regular car accidents on a regular basis may not be familiar with the intricate details that go into prosecuting a trucking collision case. Secondly, you want a lawyer who has the resources to prosecute these cases. Truck wreck cases are different than regular automobile accident cases. They can be a lot more expensive to prosecute. Right off the bat, you want to hire experts to go out and reconstruct the accident. You want to get them out to the scene right away. You want experts to download the data from the tractor trailers. You want investigators out there finding and interviewing witnesses right away. Does the lawyer you're talking to, who may be the parent of one of the kids on your son's baseball team, does he have the resources to hire all those experts and bring them to bear right off the bat? These are questions you want to ask. Finally, you want a lawyer who tries cases, who goes to trial, not a lawyer who handles multiple cases at once and just turns them over and settles them. You know, they may have a lot of billboards, that lawyer. He may have a lot of television commercials. He may have hundreds or even thousands of cases in his office. How many of those are going to trial? You want a lawyer who goes to trial. The insurance companies know which lawyers go to trial. They keep track of that, just like they keep track of all other data. And they consider that when they make settlement offers. Is this lawyer going to be someone who will fold and take a cheap settlement? Or is this a lawyer who will take us to trial and get the true value of your case? These are things you want to consider when you're deciding whether or not to choose a certain lawyer. And if you or a loved one have been injured in a truck collision case, if you have any questions, please give our office a call. I'll be happy to discuss it with you.